Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If the lid on your Maytag washer remains locked and won't open or respond normally, don't worry because this is a common issue that many users faced. Power interruptions, incomplete cycles, or temporary control board glitches can sometimes cause the Maytag washer lid lock system to stay engaged longer than expected. Fortunately, you often don't need special tools or professional service to correct the problem. A simple reset can help clear the fault and restore normal operation rather than in this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that may help you successfully reset the lid lock on your Maytag washer. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the Maytag washer has completely stopped running before beginning the reset. Step 2. Turn off the Maytag washer and disconnect it from the power outlet. Step 3. Leave the Maytag washer unplugged for several minutes to allow the control system to reset. Step 4. Restore power to the Maytag washer and switch it back on. Step 5. Start a short cycle on the Maytag washer to allow the lid lock mechanism to reinitialize. Step 6. Confirm that the lid on the Maytag washer opens and locks normally again.